Okay, I'm doing a quick flashlight EDC update. This is what I was carrying. Y'all are familiar with this, the Streamlight Stylus Pro. And I found that it was just a little bit bulky in the pocket. And so I was out there on another site and I found this one, which has only got one AAA battery, and it fits much better in my pocket and is a little more convenient. Throws about the same light for my EDC purposes. I'm okay with it as the old style LED. This has got the new style, which looks a little better. Let me see if I can. There's the circle for the Microstream, and then here's the one with the Stylus Pro. So it's a little bigger, but about the same for what I need for them. So anyway, I was very happy with it, and it's way more convenient in my pocket, so you may want to try that. Anyway, you can see it's a lot smaller. Weight about half the weight, maybe 2/3. So anyway, just wanted a quick little EDC video for you. Price wise, I think I paid about 19 or 20 for the Stylus Pro. This one will run you about 13, maybe 14. So for my EDC carry, it was made it much improved. So anyway, enjoy, and thanks for the good comments.